Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure Chrome is running and updated because outdated builds often break the search bar. Open Settings, then navigate directly to Appearance and Search Engine. This is where the bar's behavior lives. Once done, check which search engine is set and whether the Omnibox is enabled. Make sure your profile is signed in so preferences load correctly, and note any extensions that alter the address bar. We'll address them next. Now, remove likely causes. Disable extensions that affect the Omnibox, then test with incognito or a guest profile to isolate the issue. Next, open Chrome, //flags and reset all to default. Experimental flags can change search bar behavior. Once done, clear cache and cookies to remove stale data. If the search field still misbehaves, create a new Chrome profile to see if your original profile data is corrupted. This helps determine whether settings or local data are the root cause. For final resolution, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall Chrome, remove user data folders, and install the latest build from a trusted source. This removes persistent corruption. Also check for OS-level utilities, keyboard remappers, or accessibility tools that can override the search bar input. Once done, test in Chrome Canary to see if the problem is fixed in a newer build. If it isn't, file a bug report with exact steps and logs. That gives engineers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.